Hi guys, I'm Vidyadhar. Welcome to Violent Wings, where knowledge meets a purpose. This is yet another video in the series Apps in Focus, where I'll be exploring the most useful features of an app. And what we have today is much more than an app. It's WhatsApp. There is much information out there explaining the features of WhatsApp. But what we are going to explore today is not a feature but a trick. And with the help of this, you can use WhatsApp as a mini personal cloud storage. Isn't that exciting? Let's get started. Welcome back guys, let's see how we can create our own personal cloud storage in WhatsApp. This is going to entail 3 simple steps. Create a group, invite your best friend and kick your best friend out of the group. If that feels exciting, let's see it in action. So I am creating a group as we normally do. And I am inviting someone whom I can instantly remove from the group. And you can name it however you like. So that creates a group, and all the files that are going to be placed in this group are going to be accessible both by me and the other person. So there is nothing special, right? Of course, but the trick is this. Now go to the group information and do something that you have wanted to do for a very long time. Kick your friend out of the group. So I'm removing the other person, and now I have all the group only for me. So whatever the files that are going to be placed inside this group are going to be private to me. So it is as simple as that. Now you have your own personal cloud storage. As you can see, I have made 2 instances of this example, one for the files that are not so important and the other files which are important to me and which I need to access instantly. And when you are done with the group, if you want to remove, it is as simple as this, but be cautious that once you archive, the data is lost. So it is as simple as this. Press and hold on the group and just archive the group. If that did not make you feel good, then the next one is going to. It's about how we can listen to an audio message privately. So let me explain. Let's say I have an audio message from a friend, but I am in public, so I cannot listen to this. So the trick is as easy as this. Just tap on the audio message and just bring your phone closer to your ear as you would normally do when you take a call. So now the audio message is going to be played through the front speaker on your phone. This way you can listen to your messages even when you are in public. Isn't that amazing? Let's move on with the next one. The next trick is about how we can send uncompressed and original images in WhatsApp. So as we all know, whenever we send an image in WhatsApp, it gets compressed and the quality is lost. So how can we overcome that? It's a very simple trick. Send your image not as an image but as a document. Let me show you how. Tap on the pin and select document, and now navigate to the location where your image is. So now let's say this is the image I want to send as a document without compromising on its quality. Now the image is being sent as it is, as a document, without any compression. Let's look at the last trick of the video, how we can star a message. And it comes in handy when we want to access an image or a file much faster at any point of time. Let me show you by an example. Let's say I want to save this image somewhere so I can access this pretty fast the next time. So all I have to do is just press and hold on the image or the file, tap on the star. You can do it with any file in any conversation. So the next question is, where are all the starred images or the files? Come to the main screen, and under the menu you get to see the starred message. It is very handy when you want to save few files or images for a future reference. So that's it for now. Hope you have learned something new, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.